Here we are in Vincenzo's kitchen, where something good's always cooking on the weekend. Just got done with outside, cutting grass, trimming, picking, a lot of other things. Really burned up an appetite, so now I'm making fried chicken. And we have some already started here, and I'm going to tell you what my secret is for gluten-free, diabetic-friendly fried chicken. Of course, I'm using my favorite pot. This piece is done. Nice golden brown, looks fabulous. Gotta watch with that smoke. Gonna throw a skinned thigh in there. I had some whole legs that I happened to pick up in a 10-pound bag for 79 cents a pound, which I thought was a terrific buy. So I pulled the skin off of them. I took 8 teaspoons of tapioca flour, and to that I added some salt, some smoked paprika, some pepper, some onion powder, and some chili powder. And I didn't even have to use it all. Got my oil going pretty good here. We're going to cover him, turn him into a Dutch oven. Going to let him fry. Oh, probably an easy 15 minutes. Then I'll turn him over and let him go for about 10 more. If you're concerned, you want to get a meat thermometer. Double check those internal temps. Me, I have it just down from doing so much of it. So I'm pretty good on that. So it's skinless, tapioca flour, some onion powder, some smoked paprika, some chili powder, and black ground pepper, and some salt. Pop them in there 15 minutes on one side, flip them over, 15-20 minutes on one side. Again on the other side, 10-15 minutes on that side. You want to maintain your oil, but you don't want it too high because it'll burn on you. If you're going to use, almond flour or coconut flour, you really can't use the oil again because the coconut flour, everything burns and the oil burns. I guess it's the sweetness from the coconut in there. So anyway, here we are. Got a nice start for this chicken. We're going to let it go on a plate there. Any excess grease will drain off. I'll put it on another plate for storage. I like even cold fried chicken. And there we go. Let me bring the camera over here if I can. Just show you how nice that looks. Doesn't that look great? Alright, there's your money shot. Remember to be kind to one another. Help your neighbor if you can. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Pass the word. Subscriptions are free. Always looking for new subscribers. Alright, in Vincenzo's kitchen, where something good is always cooking. We'll see you.